I'm going to jump start it here. Jump start that hog.
Let's try like hell. I get to know.
I don't think you're blurry. This camera's actually working.
The camera loves me.
It loves you. It doesn't love me so much anymore. No, you got an Everlast. That's the kind of battery I have in my car. It's lasted 10 years.
Well, it's not forever, but it's long enough.
Pretty long time.
Well, let's see what we got.
I'm going to keep my fingers crossed.
Yoo-hoo!
Woo! Nice.
Cheap fireworks. Redneck fireworks.
Redneck fireworks.
Oh.
Yep. Whoa!
I got the shit out of myself.
Better than coffee.
Well, let's see what we got. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Nope. That's a $400 starter, too. That's messing up on me right now.
For real?
For real.
That sucks.
Brand new $400 starter.
Now, is there a way you could put it in gear and like maybe move the starter over?
It's already over.
That sucks so bad.
You don't even know how bad.
Yep. Stop filming, we'll try it again.
They don't have the foot peg or the brake on this side right now.
Right, so it'll tip over.
Well, it's clutch adjusted either. Oh, this is a bad day. Started out bad this morning, and now it's ending bad.
What year's that bike?
1974. Sportster Ironhead.
Ironhead. 74 Ironhead.
Yep.
Well, it sure looks better than it starts.
Acting like the rest of it's acting like a typical Ironhead.
Right.
If you're not a gearhead, don't even bother.
We hear ya.
I'm gonna try to jump start it.
Alright. Go for it.
It's really hard to do. Especially when I haven't even primed it.
I gotta stay back pretty far to keep you in the picture. Here he goes. You almost had it. I heard some compression. What if you went up to the top over there?
Like these.
Yeah. It's a sexy looking bike, that's for sure.
It sounds good too when it's running.
Sounds mean, I could tell with the compression. Ah.
It helps if I had the key on.
Right, right.
You should have caught that.
Sorry. Whoa! It sounds boss a little bit. I heard a little compression.
You might have to help me push it.
Alright. Can I push it and hold the camera?
No.
Alright, I'll edit it in if we get it to run. Alright, I'm gonna stop.